Good morning, 5th class students. Now I am going to tell you about workbook exercises. Children, take out your workbooks. Open page number 7. See here, children. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one, Ras Leela depicts the story of Rama and Sita. This is a wrong statement, children. Write here false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Next, second one. The small sticks used in Kolatam provide the main rhythm. This is a correct statement. Write here true. T-R-U-E. Next, third one. Says Bharat performed the cosmic dance. False. F-A-L-S-E, false. Next, Muthuswami Dikshitar is a famous vocalist of Karnataka music. True. T-R-U-E, true. Next, Satriya is a classical dance form of Sikkim. False, children. F-A-L-S-E, false. Sixth one. Nadaswaram is a Hindustani musical instrument. False, children. Nadaswaram, Karnataka instrument. This is a false statement. Right here, F-A-L-S-E, false. Seventh one. The dresses of Mohini Attam resemble the traditional attire of Kerala women. True. T-R-U-E, true. Write neatly, children. False, true, false, true, false, false, true. Next, fill in the blanks, children. The brainchild of Siddhendra Yogi is dash. Bhama Kalapam. The brainchild of Siddhendra Yogi is Bhama Kalapam. B-H-A-M-A K-A-L-A-P-A-M, Bhama Kalapam. Second one, dash took the form of Harikatha is South India. Kathak dance. Kathak dance took the form of Harikatha in South India. K-A-T-H-A-K, Kathak, D-A-N-C-E, dance. Third one, Dandiya hails from the state of Gujarat. Dandiya, Gujarat. G-U-J-A-R-T, Gujarat. Next, the harvest festival in Punjab is called Baisakhi. B-A-I-S-A-K-H-I, Baisakhi. Next, Dash was said to have done miracles by singing. Tansen, T-A-N-S-E-N, Tansen was said to have done miracles by singing. Sixth one, Dash is the base of a song in Karnataka music. Shruti. Shruti is the base of a song in Karnataka music. S-H-R-U-T-H-I, Shruti. Okay, children, write neatly. Bhama Kalapam, Kathak dance, Gujarat, Baisakhi, Tansen, Shruti. Next, match the following. Kuchipudi, Bihu, Kolatam, Dandiya, Bhangra, music. Here, South India, Swara and Laya, Bhalle Bhalle, Assam, Navaratri, Tarangam. Okay, children, match the following. Kuchipudi, Kuchipudi, Tarangam. Right here, 1. Bihu, Assam state. Right here, 2. Kolatam, South India. Right here, 3. Dandiya, Navaratri. Right here, 4. Bhangra, Bhalle Bhalle. Right here, 5. Music, Swara and Laya. Right here, 6. 3, 6, 5, 2, 4, 1. Okay, children, write neatly. Turn the page. Page number 8. How can you differentiate Hindustani music from Carnatic music? See here, children. Hindustani music and Carnatic music. Hindustani music. This is considered as the North Indian style of classical music. The soul of this music is rag, and thus it is a swara oriented style. Right here children, THIS, this IS is CONSIDERED, considered AS as THE, the NOR TH North, INDIAN Indian, STYLE style OF of CLASSICAL classical, MUSIC music. THE, the SOUL soul OF of THIS, this MUSIC music. IS is RAAGA raga, first phrase children, and THUS, thus ITE IS is a swara, SWARA swara oriented, ORIENTED oriented style, STYLE style oriented style. Next, Carnatic music. This is the South Indian style of classical music which is tal rhythm oriented, The Shruti pitch is the base of a song. Languages used in this composition are mainly from South India. Okay children, write neatly. THIS, this IS is THE, the SOUTH South, INDIAN Indian, STYLE style OF of CLASSICAL classical, MUSIC music. WHICH which IS is TAAL tal, in bracket rhythm, RHYTHM rhythm, ORIENTED oriented. THE, the SHRUTH Shruti, in bracket pitch, PITCH pitch. IS is THE, the BASE base OF of a SONG song. LANGUAGES languages used in THIS, this COMPOSITION composition RERMAINLY mainly FROM from SOUTHINDIA India, South India. Okay children, write neatly. Hindustan music, North Indian style. Carnatic music, South Indian style. Hindustani music, soul of this music is rag, and thus it is a swara oriented. This is a tal rhythm oriented. The Shruti is the base of a song. Okay children, write neatly. Write about any dance. Write about many dances form you like the most. Bharatanatyam originated from Tamil Nadu, is a famous classical dance form. I like Bharatanatyam children. Okay, you like Bharatanatyam? Bharatanatyam originated from Tamil Nadu, is a famous classical dance form. Bhava, Raga and Tala are the three concepts of this dance. The themes are from Indian mythology, the epics and the Puranas. With the costumes, ornaments, makeup, female dancer look gorgeous. BHARATANATYAM Bharatanatyam, ORIGINATED originated FROM from TAMIL Tamil NADU Nadu, IS is FAMOUS famous, CLASSICAL classical, DANCE dance, FORM from BHAAVA Bhava, RAAGA raga, and THAALA tala, ARERTH the, THREE 3 CONCEPTS concepts of THIS, this DANCE dance, THE, the THEMES themes, RER from INDIN Indian MYTHOLOGY mythology, THE APICS epics and THE PURANAS Puranas, WITH with COSTUMES costumes, ORNAMENTS ornaments and makeup, MAKEUP makeup, FEMALE female, DANCERS dancers, look, GORGEOUS gorgeous. Write neatly, children. Next, children, write a short note on Yakshagana. What is this dance, children? Yakshagana. Write a short note on Yakshagana. Yakshagana is a combination of classical and folk dance forms. It is a traditional theatre form of Karnataka that combines dance, music, dialogues, costumes, makeup and stage techniques with a unique style and form. YAKSHAGANA Yakshagana is a COMBINATION combination OF of CLASSICAL classical and FOLK folk dance FORMS forms. ITE is TRADITIONAL traditional THEATRE theatre FORM form OF of KARNATAKA Karnataka THAT that COMBINES combines DANCE dance MUSIC music DIALOGUE dialogues COSTUME costume MAKE MAC-UP makeup and STAGE stage TECHNIQUES techniques WITH with a UNIQUE unique STYLE style and FORM form. Yakshagana is a combination of classical and folk dance forms. It is a traditional theatre form of Karnataka that combines dance, music, dialogues, costume, makeup and stage techniques with a unique style and form. Okay, children, write neatly. Next, answer the following questions. What is dance? Dance is series steps and movements that match the speed and rhythm of accompanying music or song. DANCE dance is SCRIES series STEPS steps and MOVEMENTS movements DHT that MATCH match DH the SPED speed and RHYTHM rhythm of ACCOMPANYING accompanying music 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 or SYNG song. Next, second one. Why were the traditional dance performed in temples? The traditional dance were originally performed in temples. They were often regarded as a form of worship and meditation, apart from being a part of celebration and entertainment. The TRADITIONAL, the traditional DANCES dance WERE were ORIGINALLY originally FPERFORMED performed in TMPLES temples. The traditional dance were originally performed in temples. THEWERE were OFTEN often REGARDED regarded as a FORM form of WRSHIP worship and MEDITATION meditation. A part part from BEING being a part wave of CELEBRATION celebration and ENTERTAINMENT entertainment. The traditional dances were originally performed in temples. They were often regarded as a form of worship and meditation, apart from being a part of celebration and entertainment. Next, third question, children. What is the specialty of folk dance? Folk dances reflect the traditional life of the people of a certain area or community. These play an important role in showcasing the regional costumes and traditions. FLOK folk DANCES dances. REFLEs it reflect TH that TRADITIONL traditional LIF life wave of TH the PEOPLE people wave of a CERTAIN certain area or COMMUNITY community. THES these PLA play an IMPORTA and important ROLE role in SHOWCASING showcasing the REGIONAL regional CUSTOMS costumes and TRADITIONS traditions. Next, fourth question, children. What is Sangeet Natak Academy? Sangeet Natak Academy is a national level academy of music, dance and drama set up by the Government of India. Sangeet Natak Academy is a national level academy of music, dance and drama set up by the Government of India. SANGEET संगीत NATAK नाटक AKADEMI Academy. ISIS NATIONAL National LEVEL level. ACADEMY Academy wave of MUSSC music, DANCE dance and DRAMA drama SETUP setup BY by TH the GOVERNME and the government wave of INDIA India. Next, children. Fifth question. Mention the different styles of music in India. One is done for you. Devotional is here. Okay, children. Hindustani, Karnataka, Darpad, Tumri, Bajnas, Ghazals, Bhangra. Devotional. HINDUSTANI Hindustani, KARNATAK Karnataka, DHRUPAD Darpad, THUMRI Tumri, BHAJANS Bajnas, GHAZALS Ghazals, BHANGRA Bhangra. Next, sixth one. Do you know any Western musical instrument? Name them. Fiddle, santuri, banjo, mandolin, accordion, guitar, harp, piano. FIDLA fiddle, SANTURA santuri, BANJO banjo, MANDOLIN mandolin, ACCORDION accordion, GUITAR guitar, HARP harp, PIANO piano. These are Western musical instruments names. Okay, children, write neatly. Today's home task, read these 6 questions at home. Thank you, children. I will meet in the next class.